This video walks you through how to use Wise. Begin by logging into your Wise account. Once you are signed in, go to the area where you manage your balances. This is where you can add funds, view what you already have, and choose what to do with that money after it arrives. To add money, click Add. Wise will then ask which balance you want to fund. Select the balance or currency you want to add money to. If you hold more than one currency, make sure you choose the correct one before moving forward, since the payment details and the balance that receives the funds will depend on that selection. After that, enter the amount you want to add. Type in the value carefully and check that it matches what you intend to send from your bank or e-wallet. Wise will use this amount to prepare the payment details for the transfer. Next, choose how you want to pay. You may see options such as bank transfer or e-wallet transfer. Select the payment method you plan to use, then click Continue. The option you choose here should match the app or account you will use in the next step to send the money. Wise will then show the payment details you need to review before sending anything. Take a moment to check the payee name, account number, amount, and bank name shown on screen. This part matters because you will use these details exactly as provided when making the payment from your bank or e-wallet app. If anything does not look right, go back and confirm the balance, currency, amount, and payment method before you proceed. Once those details are confirmed, open your bank app or your e-wallet app and send the payment using the account information Wise provided. Enter the payee and account details carefully and make sure the transfer amount matches the amount shown in Wise. Submit the payment through your bank or e-wallet as you normally would. After you send the payment, return to Wise and wait for the transfer to be received. Processing time can vary depending on the payment method and the bank or e-wallet service you used. When Wise receives the money, the funds will be added to your selected balance automatically. Once the money arrives in your Wise balance, you can start using it. From there, you can choose Send to move money to someone else, Receive to get paid, Convert to exchange between currencies, or use your Wise card to spend from your balance where available. These options appear after the balance has been funded and are the main ways to manage the money you added. Thanks for watching. Your Wise balance is now funded and ready to use for sending, receiving, converting, or spending.